In the vast wilderness where death stalks every shadow and only the fiercest survive, one beast wears no crown, yet every creature bows to its presence. It doesn't climb the highest trees, it doesn't run the fastest, but when it walks, the earth listens. This is not just a predator, it is a symbol, a myth, a legend. But how did the lion, an animal that doesn't even live in the jungle, become its king? What's the real story behind its throne of teeth and terror? Today we uncover the untold legacy of the lion, how it earned the title, the king of the jungle. And lions, known scientifically as Panthera leo, are among the most iconic animals on Earth. With their golden coats and thunderous roars, they've inspired fear, awe, and admiration for thousands of years. But their story began long before modern civilization. Fossil evidence reveals that lions once roamed not only Africa, but also Europe, Asia, and parts of North America. At one point in history, they were the second most widespread mammal on the planet, after humans. Ancient cultures were captivated by their presence. In Mesopotamia, lions represented war and royalty. In Egypt, they were connected to the gods and symbolized protection. The Greeks feared and revered them, telling tales like that of the Nemean lion, slain by Hercules. Even in India, lions are divine, ridden into battle by the fierce goddess Durga. To humans, lions were never just animals. They were symbols of power, leadership, and divine authority. What makes lions truly unique is their social structure. Unlike most big cats, lions live in groups called prides. A pride is made up of several related females, their cubs, and one or more dominant males. The females are the real hunters. They work together with military precision, targeting prey much larger than themselves, zebras, wildebeest, and sometimes even buffalo. Male lions, while less involved in hunting, play a vital role in defending the pride. They protect their territory from invading males who often seek to take over and eliminate the existing cubs. This teamwork, this unity, is rare in the wild, and it's a major reason why lions dominate. Here are some fascinating facts about lions. A lion's roar can be heard from up to 5 miles away, making it one of the loudest sounds in the animal kingdom. Despite their ferocious reputation, lions sleep up to 20 hours a day, conserving energy for short, powerful bursts of action. The mane of a male lion isn't just for show, it acts as armor during fights and signals strength. The darker and fuller the mane, the more dominant the lion appears to both rivals and females. And here's something ironic, lions don't actually live in jungles. They prefer open grasslands and savannas. So why do we call them the king of the jungle? The answer lies in language and history. The term jungle was once used to refer to any wild, untamed land, not just rainforests. In literature, especially during colonial times, jungle became a poetic term for the wild in general. The lion, as the most majestic and dominant predator, inherited the royal title. If you're enjoying this story, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more wildlife documentaries. Comment below and tell us, if not the lion, who do you think deserves the crown of the wild? But being king isn't easy. A male lion's rule is often short, typically lasting only 2 to 4 years. Rival males challenge constantly, and when a takeover occurs, the new leader often kills the previous cubs to establish his own bloodline. It's brutal, it's savage. But in nature, it's survival. Still, beyond the violence lies a softer side, the bond between lionesses, the way they raise and defend their young, the playful cubs learning the rules of the wild. The pride, moving silently across the plains like a single organism, is one of the most mesmerizing sights in the animal kingdom. So why is the lion the king? Not because it's the biggest predator, that title goes to the polar bear. Not because it's the fastest, that's the cheetah. Not even because it's the smartest. The lion is king because it commands respect, it leads with presence, it rules through unity, it symbolizes dominance, pride and balance, and most of all, it inspires. Thank you for watching. If this story of the lion inspired or fascinated you, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with other wildlife lovers. Let us know in the comments what animal we should explore next. Until next time, stay curious and stay wild.